Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about everybody's favorite unit, the Technician. Technicians are mostly useless. Their guns are very ineffective, they have a sight of 0, that means you can't scout with them, and they are very weak. But they are the fastest infantry guns in the entire game. Technicians have a speed of 10, which means they're just as fast as commandos, grenadiers, and flamethrower. But if the Technician is threatened, you start to run extremely fast. But how fast? What is the exact speed of a threatened Technician? To answer this useless question, we can start by looking and downloading the Command & Conquer Remastered source code on Github. Okay, let's see what languages are used. Well, that's a problem. Sadly, I know nothing about C++. I'm very familiar with Python and a bit of JavaScript, but not at all with C++. But luckily, this source code is very well documented. There are comments about what each thing does everywhere. It certainly made my life a lot easier. Now, before we do anything, I want to explain why speed in Cincy is not quite as it seems. If you compare, for example, the speed of a commando and a medium tank, in the game you can see that the commando is much faster, but in the source code the medium tank has a speed of 18, and as I mentioned the commando has a speed of 10. I'm gonna make a video about the unit speed in Tiberian Dawn soon. Hopefully. Also, for some reason, infantry unit speed changes drastically by going south or west, then east and north. This is actually discovered by my friend Jello6. Go check him out. Right, back to the business. By observing some files we can find a lot of useful things. All technicians and civilians are fraidy cats. That basically means that if the unit is threatened, do something. In this case, run extremely fast. Now, by just searching the source code, we can find the answer to this rather ludicrous question. And just like that, I found it. Technicians run 2 times faster when threatened. This is in infantry.c++. By doing very complex math, we can determine the speed of a threatened technician. Now, let's test it. We have to make a mod, and just like that, I made a mod. All I made is that all minigunners have a speed of 20, aka the same as the threatened technician, and that the purple technician has a lot of strength so it doesn't die in the testing phase. So now the minigunner should run just as fast as the threatened technician. And yes, we are correct. We can actually test this even more to be extra sure that this part of the code really changes the speed of a normal technician, even though it clearly does. We can just basically change this speed multiplier. I changed it to 1. So the threatened technician should have a speed of 10 and should not run faster when not threatened. So let's test it, and yep, we are correct. So to answer this useless question, a threatened technician runs 2 times faster than a regular technician. By the way, the super fast threatened technician outruns an APC. The Tiberian Dawn APC is modeled and most likely is the M113 armored personal carrier, and its maximum speed is 67.6 kilometers an hour. Technicians may not be strong, may not be great at intel gathering, and may not have the best weapons, but they certainly are faster than some actual military vehicles.